Having reduced mobility or range of motion, especially in your neck, shoulders or back, can be very challenging whilst driving. It's crucial that you are able to check your blind spots when switching lanes and entering slip roads. A panoramic rearview mirror greatly extends your field of view, reducing the need to turn to check blind spots. Extending your visibility greatly improves driver safety and confidence, which is paramount. A panoramic rearview mirror is a superb single adaptation, but is particularly helpful if you have other driving aids and want to keep your attention focused on the road. For more information about panoramic rearview mirrors, driving aids and other vehicle adaptations, speak to one of our experts by web chat, online inquiry or by phone. Vehicle adaptations, enabling independence. Mobility in motion.